I'm so excited to share with you what is about to happen.
Christmas came early this year.
Ta-da! You won't believe what's here!
I've been very lucky to be sent a new TRIOS 5. You know, it's really quite small.
I like the box.
Let's just dive right in. This is so exciting, I can barely contain myself. So, okay, here we go. The pièce de résistance. Let's check out the 3-shape TRIOS 5.
Very light.
Nice looking design.
Smaller, lighter. It's actually like a pen.
I love that I can kind of like hold it and I can kind of spin it with my fingers.
Really ergonomic and really hygienic design.
These are our sterilizable tips, but check this out. The tip is closed.
It's a closed system.
It comes with 3 batteries.
Look at these batteries. They're small.
If I shake it.
It lights up. It tells you how much charge it has.
And I see we have a battery charger.
It looks quite sexy.
This is something I'm actually pretty excited about. Look at this base. You can seat it one way. You can seat it this way. You can even seat it a little off angle.
One-time sleeves.
From an infection control standpoint, this is awesome. A really cool innovation.
Overall, I think this is a really neat design. It looks good. It's very ergonomic, hygienic, light.
So I guess I have to go scan.
Thanks for watching.